Page 6, Menuet. This piece is in G major, 1 sharp, 3/4 time naturally. It's a minuet. It's like a waltz. And all of these slurs and things you see in here are put in here by editors or whatever. Bach didn't put them in, that somebody else did. As far as the people in Bach's time, the composers didn't put that stuff in. As a performer, you were supposed to know how to interpret the music. You were taught that. Today, they don't teach you how to interpret music. They teach you just to follow all these symbols and things. Whatever. The point is, we got slurs in here. You lift up between each slur so to get a little bit of silence. In this case, the slurs are all in the right hand, so that's the hand that gets the silence. The left hand can stay legato pretty much throughout. So at the beginning of this, you got here 1 and 2. So it's up and down. So here. You hear the little bit of silence between each. I don't agree with their phrasing, but let's just stick with what they have in the book. That's what they've done, so that's what we'll do. The left hand just supports it to stay soft, because all the melodies in the right hand. That's what we want to hear, and then the left hand just stays legato, so it's here. Just a little bit about the dynamics. We can follow the dynamics in here. The idea is they're just kind of a general guide. This is sort of a medium soft piece, and that's the melody. That's the right hand. So the left hand has to just stay soft. And even though you're phrasing the right hand, just go ahead and play the left hand legato. Then in the third measure, you have that crescendo, that arrow goes. Thing go up to here, all the way up to here, and stay up there. And then second line, last 2 measures, now you're coming back down. Back down to medium soft, third line, and then the last 2 lines are similar to the first 2 lines. Similar, not exact, but similar. At the end, you have that allargando, which means slow down a little bit. You broadened it out. The effect is that the effect is you're slowing down. They got all these different words that mean similar things, but slow down a little at the end. When we do the play with me together, I can't do that because the metronome won't slow down, so we're going to ignore that part. But when you're playing it on your own, you want to do that. In the past few pieces, we've been working with the thumb, crossing the thumb over, and then here we get that again. Look at the second line, the second and third measures, you're here, and then you cross over in the third measure to the F sharp, and then thumb again. Because you lift out between the phrases. But you get that there. Then in the last line, the last 2 measures, you're here. Over. Now for the last note you can play thumb or third finger, it's up to you, it doesn't matter because you're done. A lot of times when a piece ends like that you just end with third finger, but there's nothing wrong with ending with the thumb there too. Let's try this together slowly, check notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. The right hand is here, left hand's here. Alright, 1, ready, go.